Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today for another exploration into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Today's word is captain. It's a B1 level noun, and it means a leader of a group or ship. So, what does captain really mean? Well, most commonly, we think of a captain as the person in charge of a ship or a boat. But it also refers to a leader of any team or group. In everyday language, it implies someone who holds authority and guides others. Now, let's look at some synonyms for captain. Words like chief, leader, and commander all share similar meanings. For example, we could say, the chief of the project team led the meeting, or the leader of the hiking group made sure everyone was safe, or the commander of the army gave the order. You can see how these words relate to the concept of captain. Now, how about antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning? We might think of follower, subordinate, or crew member. For instance, he was just a follower, not a leader. Or, she was a subordinate in the organization. Or, the crew member listened to the captain's orders. See how these words highlight the opposite of leadership. Now, let's talk about how we use captain in everyday life. You might hear someone say, he's the captain of his school's basketball team, or who's the captain of this project? These are common ways to use the word. Some other usage examples are, the captain navigated the ship through the storm, and the captain made the important decision, and our soccer team has a great captain. And she was the captain of the debate team. And he was promoted to captain of the company. We can also say, the ship's captain is in control. And he took the role of team captain. And the captain was the hero. So, to recap, captain is a B1 level noun meaning a leader of a group or ship. Synonyms are chief, leader, and commander. Antonyms are follower, subordinate, and crew member. We use it in many contexts to describe a person in authority. Thanks for joining me today to learn about the word captain. I really appreciate you taking the time. Before we wrap up, please don't forget to subscribe to the podcast, and if you're enjoying the show, please leave a review. Your support really helps others find us. One last thing, I'd love to see how you use captain. Create your own sentence about captain and share it as a comment under the video. Until next time, happy learning!